Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ben, aka No Chins. This is just a video log update to my progress on my schizophrenia, my ex-heroin addiction, my ex-crack addiction, ex-pregabalin addiction, ex-opiclone addiction, and I used to be on 30 milligrams of diazepam, but I have cut down to 10 milligrams, so I've chopped it down to just a third of what I was taking previously in previous months and years. I was on benzos for 15 years, 16 years, since 2004. I was first prescribed lorazepam. I have been prescribed nitrazepam, which is called Mogadon, and nitrazepam is a sleeping pill, but it's a benzodiazepine sleeping pill, and it works like diazepam but more for insomnia, and this was really helping me, but they took me off it a long time ago now, and I'm just on 10 milligrams of diazepam. I can get it off the internet if I need more, but I've got no way of paying them because I don't have internet banking anymore, because I've got a new bank account and things. Anyway, my back is absolute agony and it really hurts. The lower part of my back, just above my backside, is absolute agony and I don't know what to do about it. You see my hair's receding, there's a bulb on the front now. Not very good, is it? So I wear a cap. Don't want to show my ugly hair off. Anyway, so I think I am 6 months, 1 week, and 6 months and 5 days off heroin, and 5 months and 3 weeks and 4 days off crack or something like that. I can't remember now. My mum knows exactly when I came off crack and heroin. I have to ask her the date when I speak to her on the phone later, and just edit this video later, or just put it up how it is now, and I'll write in the description below how many weeks I have been off crack and also off heroin for. I haven't even smoked a bit of weed for 6 months, half a year off weed. The longest period of time since I was 18 off weed, and I don't think I'd ever be able to do that. I really find it difficult though, because everyone smokes weed, and I'm just not smoking it at the moment because I don't really need to chill out much more. I'm on methadone, I'm on diazepam, I'm on trazodone, I'm on vitamin pills for my low folic acid levels. I'm on folic acid pills, multivitamin pills as well, because I think I've got a deficiency in some vitamin. I don't know what it is, so it might be vitamin D or vitamin C. But I drink quite a lot of orange juice and multivitamin juice, so it shouldn't be vitamin C. I don't know what it is. The doctor said, and yesterday I went to Trelisk Hospital in Truro, most southwesterly city in the whole of the UK, and I had a heart echocardiogram. It's a long word, but it's just basically they put gel on the end of this thing and they just move it around your chest where your heart is, on the left hand side, and they move it around with the jelly stuff on, and it doesn't hurt that much. But if you just do it from the side and it started to hurt, so I said, can you stop please? And she did stop, and I'll get the results from this echocardiogram back in a week. Well, 6 days now, but it'll probably be 7 days. I think it'll take quite a while to get the results back. So I analyse them scientifically. And I had 3 cans of cider last night. I cut down, I used to drink 4, but I wasn't in the mood to drink 4 last night. I was only in the mood to drink 3, which is okay. Still got some sleep last night. My Mr. P wasn't really loud, he was quite quiet last night, so that's good on him. Thank you, Mr. P, Thank you, P. And I am actually doing alright now. I don't have that bad a headache, but my back is agony. I'm gonna try when I speak to the what's it called? Physiologist? Something like that. Something to do with my back. Psychologist or something. It's not psychologist, actually to do with your mind. But something to do with my back with a P at the start. Psychologist, psychiatrist. I don't know what it's called. I can't remember. I'm not an expert in this stuff. I got a telephone appointment on Friday with a woman who's going to probably just tell me to do back exercises and stuff like that, which I've really tried. And it just hurts my back too much to do them, so I can't continue. My back is agony. I think I slipped a disc or something. It feels like it's broken, but it can't be broken because I could die. That's pretty bad news for me if I'm dead. I won't die, not right now. I'm quite proud of my achievement in getting over 6 months of heroin and nearly off 6 months of crack now. Just another week to go, 5 days to go, and I'll be 6 months off crack cocaine. Freebase is just a nasty drug. You get hooked in because it's so powerfully addictive, because the taste of it is Moorish. And Moorish taste to oxycontin makes you want to do more and more. And it's a nightmare. I probably would do it if I had it now. But I don't really want to get back into the habit of doing it. I haven't even got a crack pipe anymore, so I have to buy one of those somehow. I think I'll leave this video here. I'm quite clean off all drugs, all illicit drugs now. There's nothing illegal in my system. I hope you like my eyebrows, by the way. I just took a razor to them the other day that both of them were slit in the middle. I think it looks alright. I had this done before by a mate, and it made it look really good, but I haven't done a very good job on it. I don't care. It's only to my eyebrows. They'll grow back. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please give me a nice thumbs up if you've enjoyed watching this video, and please subscribe down below if you've enjoyed watching this video and want to see more videos by me, Ben Rogers from Devon, but I'm living in Cornwall now. And also, if you want to have any comments on this video, please don't hesitate in leaving a comment in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you within 24 hours. Or if you leave it quite soon after this video uploads, I'll answer it straight away, because I'm not doing anything today. I'm not going out anywhere. I've got nothing planned, so I'll be on the internet all day probably. So thanks again for watching, and bye for now. Cheers.